In this video, we are going to see about functions. What is meant by function? Function is a block of code which is used to perform some specific task. But when we call the function, then only the function is invoked. Okay, there are four types of functions. First one is built-in function, then user-defined function, then lambda function, then recursion function. Now, what is meant by built-in function? I have already taught you about strings, list, tuple, set, dictionary. In these, I have used some functions. Okay, they are called built-in functions. Like, see here, len of. So, len of function is used to find the length of the string. Then, upper of function. Upper of function is used to convert a string into an uppercase letter. Okay, this is the use of this built-in functions. So by this example, what can it be conclude what is mean by built-in function? A built-in function is a function that is predefined to the compiler. Whenever we want, we can call them. Okay, they are used to perform some specific task. Then next function is lambda function. About lambda function, it is a anonymous function. Okay, to say about lambda function, it is an anonymous function. Okay, let us see about the syntax first. Then I will start about the properties of lambda function. See here, the syntax of lambda function is lambda arguments colon expression. Okay, this is the syntax for lambda function.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.
I teach you these properties using these examples. Okay, now see here, see this example. Only one expression is used. What is the expression? X colon, that is x is the argument. Okay, x into x, that's the expression. See here, x into x, this is the expression. So I have used only one expression. See here, in this example, I have used only one expression. See here, I have used only one expression. Okay, this is the first property for lambda function. Next, no function name. There's no function name for lambda function. See here, there's no function name, there's no function name, there's no function name. Next, any number of arguments are allowed. Okay, see here, I have used just only one argument here and three argument here and three argument here. Okay, we can use any number of arguments. Now, lambda keyword is used. See, in this all example, I have used lambda keyword. As we see earlier, the syntax of lambda function is lambda, next argument, next colon, next the expression. Okay. Then the last property is expression is assigned to a variable. This is an optional property. Okay. We can do it with variable and also without variable. See here, I have done this in with variable. F is equal to lambda x colon x into x. Okay. Now, how to invoke this function? How to call this function? We can call this function using this variable. Okay. We can call this function using this variable. As I have told you about the built-in function, we can call it itself. Okay. Now, how to call this function? See, f of 5. That's all. Okay. F of 5. Now, see the second example. A equal to lambda a comma b comma c colon a plus b plus c. Now, I have invoked this a and written three values. So these three values are argument for this a, b, c. Okay. Now, see this third example. Here, I have given those arguments inside the functions. Okay. See here, lambda a comma b comma c colon a plus b plus c. Then I have given the arguments in another bracket. We can also give a argument but in this way also. Next, see here, I have not used any variables to store the function. Okay, I directly written lambda x colon x into x, then a bracket which denotes the argument for that value of x. Okay. Now, what is this result? In the position of x, it takes the argument 2. So 2 into 2, 4, and prints the value. So it is a 4. Next, see this example. It is very, very important. We always use lambda keyword to sort some list in a relative sorting order. Means for this, I have clearly explained with this example. See here, students is equal to, I have given name and age. Okay, this is a dictionary. I have nested a dictionary inside a list. Okay, see here, name Alice, age 25, name Bob, age 20, name Eve, age 22. Now, I want to sort these in a order of the age. That is in ascending order. Okay, how to sort this in ascending order in terms of age? See here, I have used a lambda function, but how? See here, sorted is a keyword which is used to sort the list. Okay, normally we use sorted to sort the list, dictionary, and etc. Now, see here, sorted. What to be sorted? The students variable, that is the students list should be sorted. So I have given then comma and key equal to lambda student colon student of age. What this states? This states that, hey lambda function, please sort this students list based on the age. That is the meaning for this. Okay, that is the meaning for this. Now, I have printed the sorted students list. Now, see here, what is the output? Name Bob, age 20. First 20 is printed. Then name Eve, age is 22. Now 22 is printed. Name Alice, age 25. See here, all are sorted by means of age. This is called relative sorting. To know about relative sorting, this is the best example. Okay, we can achieve relative sorting by using this lambda function. Okay, this is the use of the lambda function.